Part 3. Yeah, my phone is about... Ay, Naruto. My phone is on life support, y'all. Wala here, finish. Pero sabi ko papaka-anyway.
Guy, pili ka! Ha? Guy, pili ka ito.
Wait lang. 3 minutes. Yeah, it's so loud.
Ito.
Here. I did the knee slide. This is the room where I made my first video. Yeah!
Starts off their career slow, but then they improve a bit, and then they regress after the age of 30. But some have careers that don't fit the normal timeline, with a trajectory that zigzags all over the place.
Yeah, this. Blah, blah, this delay.
Sasagutin ko?
The average NBA player probably starts off their career slow, but then they improve a bit, and then they regress after the age of 30.
What is
But
your
some have
address?
careers that don't fit the normal
Zero
timeline,
to Ari Street.
trajectory that zigzags all over the place.
Yeah.
My address.
It's definitely not what they expected, or what any of their fans expected when they first joined the NBA. It makes you wonder, expected, or what any of
Ay, tignan mo. Halika dito.
It's definitely not what they expected, or what any of their fans
1 minute.
expected when they first joined the NBA. Today, we're taking a look at 5 NBA players with the strangest career arcs you'll ever see.
My cousin love watching Naruto. Ikaw.
Kulang ng S pala yung love na.
Continue, I want to thank Siki for sponsoring this video.
Kulang ng S.
Love
Never come down. Break into the contents. Never fall down. Please don't shake us. Like I was for the back door. Body the
Basketball games and so much more.
like
Of
me.
course, I'm
No
gonna feel pretty bad. You might want to know for 10% off your next set of tickets. That's 10% off any tickets with my promo code AIM10. Click the link in the description to download
What
the
are
app
you
and have the
doing?
code automatically added to your account.
What are you doing?
Later.
Iba ka.
Thank you, Siki, for sponsoring this video.